Hello everyone. It is late winter, early spring, and welcome to my backyard. As you know, we purchased this house last fall, so I'm really wanting to get an idea of what to do with my lawn in the backyard. I have no clue when the last time this was fertilized or if it's been fertilized for several years, so I'm going to do a soil sample to see kind of where I'm at. Now, in a yard this size, I'm going to take at least 10, probably 15 samples, so I get a good range of what's actually going on. For a good soil sample, we want all areas. So we don't just want the parts of the lawn that are doing really good or the parts that are doing really bad. We want a good uniform sample. So I'm going to take some from the middle, I'm going to take some from the area in the back where we're still trying to get some grass established. Just kind of a good uniform snapshot of what is going on in the soil. So all I need for my soil sample is my trusty shovel and a container to put my samples in, or what I'm digging up. So in a yard, I want to go down about 6 inches, same with a garden, a flower bed. If we're looking at a crop field, we may want to do a little deeper, but for most of what I'm doing, my shovel's going to work just fine. So for this particular yard, I'm going to actually take 2 sets of samples. I'm going to take one sample where I want to grow grass, and then we're also going to convert part of my yard to a vegetable garden. So that's going to be a separate sample. The recommendations for the 2 different areas are going to be very different because vegetables take more fertilizer and a different pH than my lawn grass does. And my warm season lawn grass will take a different requirements than my cool season. They need different fertilizer needs. So again, for this area, I'm going to take about 10 to 15 samples with my shovel. For small areas, you may only need 5 to 10, but just try and get a good uniform snapshot of your entire location instead of just doing in one spot. So with that, I'm going to get started. Happy growing, everybody.